Here it is right here, Eric. Here it is. Get your camera. Get your camera.
Are you streaming it?
No, I don't have data.
Power flash.
Crossing the road. Are you filming out?
Yeah.
There's a car right underneath it.
Aaron, don't come any closer.
I gotta get in behind it.
There's debris up in that, dude. There is big debris in that.
There's some big debris up in there, Eric. Hey, I'm just fucking trust me a little bit here, okay?
I don't trust you if another one comes from the fucking side.
There's not gonna be another one. There's only one hook.
That is some big debris, dude. That's like a tree falling out of the sky right now.
You go left?
Yeah. Go left.
Go left, Eric?
Let's go left. Let's go. Stop.
Look at this. Alex, look at the funnel in the air right above us.
Dude, look at that. That vortice, dude, that was intense, man. That's violent.
There's a Dominator. Go get him, Lee.
There's no fire over there, no.
Dom 2.
Batteries are done.
Dude, Alex, just watch above us and behind us to the right.
Dude, check out this. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh, Aaron, look at this. Look up the left side. We might have a huge tornado coming down real soon. Dude, that's satellite tornado around the main tornado, man.
We got debris up here.
Oh my god. No, you missed the vortice, like right off the side of our vehicle over there?
Yeah, I saw that.
Dude, that was intense. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at the rotation. Oh my god.
Alex, you got it.
Yeah.
Oh, on the ground, on the road.
On the ground, on the road.
Oh my god.
We're good right here. We're behind. We're fine. That's about an eighth of a mile wide right there, man.
No, it's going away from us. That's going to be a big tornado.
Yeah,
That's going to be a large tornado.
You want to do the board? Yes.
Get in the car, that's pretty down.
Maybe a second large one over here to the left, Eric. And if it is, it might be a wedge. Help me watch for trees and damage, because there's all sorts of shit that just got hit.
I saw that. Hey, I'll help you. I got you. Dude, look at this cone coming down right now.
I know. I'm trying to get us up to the top of the hill to see it.
It's a stop sign up here.
This is going to be I don't have the bandwidth, I don't think,
I
to
have
stream.
internet, 3 bars.
Yeah, you're good. You can stream, dude. Look at this cone coming down to the left side.
Got debris right here.
Yeah.
down big time, man. That's a quarter mile wide circulation. It's not condensed.
Yeah, I just dropped the stuff. Oh, you get any rain over there? Rain in here?
Huh? Ah!
Coming down again.
We got it. We're just trying to get there. Got a little bit of debris in the road.
Dude, look, trees. Look at that. Oh, that shit got hit, dude.
Hey, debris, damage on the left.
Look at those trees.
Watch for power lines. I don't want to get it to the
Dude, this house got hit.
That guy's walking around outside his house.
I know, that's what the zombie fucking apocalypse looks like after a tornado gets in. Are you filming it?
Hey, Aaron?
That's the RFD, we're good.
Wow!
Or you got it?
Whoa!
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Big time, Eric, big time, baby.
Are you sure we're safe?
We got a cop coming up behind us.
We're good. I promise. We got
Hey,
it.
Aaron, hurry.
I got it.
Right here, we're gonna see this thing in its big beauty right here. Oh my god, dude. That's about to become a big stovepipe.
I need road now.
Go north.
You want me to go left?
No. Keep going straight on this road. I don't want to do any more dirt roads, dude. No more dirt roads.
Hold on. Yeah, I better watch for poles. You see?
Yeah. I can see it.
It's a wedge, Alec. It's a wedge. Just film it. Just film it, buddy. You got it?
Yeah.
You sure you can
Got
see
your
it?
stream on it, Aaron. Get out of the road.
Oh god, dude, it's a dirt road. What the hell?
I don't know if we can get on that.
Let's try. At least we can do is try. Dude, look at this horizontal vortices on that thing, dude. Oh my god. I would put wedge. I mean, it is wedge. It's what? Oh my, dude.
Oh, it's tough.
Oh my god,
gosh,
dude.
look at it.
That's got to be an EF4. Look at that motion. Aaron, we need to go north now.
Dude, I can't get us north, man. I don't think I can get us north. People are gonna die. People are gonna die.
Yeah, people are gonna die, including us, if we don't be careful.
Aaron, look at that motion.
Are we safe
You're
right
missing
here?
it.
No, I got it right here.
Look at You can't get north?
Do you have it on your screen? You don't have it on your screen. Your screen's going the wrong way.
I want to go.
Are you streaming?
I'm trying. We're in a no-win situation, man.
A what?
We're in a no-win situation right now. The visual of this one.
We want to just kind of basically keep talking to you.
You with me, Eric?
And you hate to chase the night storms. I think this one is kind of outflow dominant here. I'm not real sure that's got.
I just want to see it.
I mean, it's got a little spin to it. There's a storm down the southeast of Midwest City. It's got a little bit of spin to it. It's got some
That's a large tornado. That's a wedge.
South Midwest
It's on the
City.
ground.
That's probably
Yes, it's up.
ping pong ball size. It's going to be
PBS.
south of
You
Tinker
got
Diagonal,
PBS
right over
right on top
Tinker
of
Air
it.
Force Base. This storm right
Got your
here.
video camera running around. What is that line?
It's
What's
got
that line
a little
running
spin to
through?
it, but right now doesn't
It's just running through like the middle. It gives me my middle of the stream.
Holy crap, dude! Look at it scraping the ground.
I'm starting to be able to see some
Yeah.
debris. Yeah, I'm definitely on the ground, Mike. It is on the ground, and I'm still in the same position. I'm 1, 2, 3. I'm about 4 miles
Just
to the
fucking
west
shoot.
of 102.
Okay.
Stay on Highway 9. The tornado would be on the ground approximately 2 miles to my north.
These people deserve to try to live.
1, 2.
Dude, that is big.
Oh my
Whatever that
God,
is.
dude.
Three miles
There's something
straight
big in there, man.
southwest.
Eric, get ready to turn around. You You
And Mike,
turn
it
around.
looks really large and it looks very violent. Back to you.
Large violent tornado just southwest of Twin Lakes. What, Robert? Maybe two. We're hearing
See? I just lost my
getting several
screen.
reports from several trackers, two slightly different locations, but Hank Baker
on,
is
baby.
confirming large violent tornado on the ground north of Pink, southwest of Twin Lakes. Folks, if you're not below ground or out of the way, you're not safe.
No duh. No duh.
It's just that simple, and you just can't mince words about this. You've got to be out of the way or below ground.
Come on, baby.
Look at the debris ball. Look at the debris ball coming up on Twin Lakes right now. It's going to go right across Twin Lakes, and that is a large
That is
debris
awesome.
ball. It's
That is
confirming
awesome.
exactly what Hank Baker is saying. And folks, it's heading right through Shawnee. Bob Moore Chopper 4 is arriving on the scene right now. It is heading directly for Shawnee as a large, violent tornado. Hank Baker, are you still with us?
We're good.
Yes, Mike, I am. I'm on Highway 9 and I'm headed back to the east now.
Do we have any north options?
Right north. And,
Oh my Lord
God.
Anywhere from about 2 to
There's
4
gotta be a-
miles
there's gotta be a wedge in
with
there.
violent-
There's gotta be a
violent
wedge.
rotation.
Go south?
I'm going to try to get over to
Wait, Aaron, we have visual of the base. Look, tornado, large
We got a tornado right in front of us, Eric.
Exactly more about what's going on in there, Mike. Mike, back to you.
Okay, Hank, appreciate that. Folks, you're hearing the reports here from
Go,
our trackers in the
go
field.
right. Or left.
There's
Yeah,
just no two ways about this. You've got to be out of the way or below ground. You've got to know somebody that has a basement or a storm cellar. The interior closet or bathroom isn't going to cut it. It is not going to be able to save
Good shots out of this. Good
And
shots.
that's what the name of the game is here, is about saving lives. Right now, it's going right over Twin Lakes.
Right here.
And
There you go.
You know, don't
There you
think
go.
that you can find something sturdy above ground and feel safe, because you're not going to be safe.
Dude!
You've got to be out of the way or below ground.
Look at BV
Interior
1.5.
1.5 BV. Look,
Safe room.
BV 1.5. Look at BV 1.5, dude.
Already looked, it's insane. Hank Baker is still tracking it live. Hank, what do you see?
Yeah, Mike, still looking, I'm still on Highway 9, I'm heading east now, back to 102, and then I'll head north on 102 to get a better visual on this, but I'm still seeing strong, violent rotation with this storm. It looks like it may have jogged to the north just a little bit, so it may be just a bit more.
We're
than
about to
2 or 3
see
miles north of
something
Highway
just
9.
unbelievable
Looks
here.
like heading up toward
This is a wedge developing in front of us.
Back to you.
Okay, it's over the Twin Lakes right now. Let's go to the South Dock. Let's go to South Dock. It's actually over Twin Lakes. There's the debris ball. Here's Dale.
Oh, yeah. I can see that over there.
Hank
That's for
Baker's
sure.
at Highway 9,
I don't want to get in your shot,
152.
Eric.
Hank Baker's is right here. Is where Hank is. There's 9.
We did this, dude. We got it.
It is, but I think we're looking to the northwest. It is actually over Twin Lakes.
Look at this rotation on this sucker.
Bethal Acres, up to as far north as Dale, Shawnee Mall. The Shawnee Mall needs to be evacuated. The Shawnee Mall needs to be evacuated. Folks, you can't go about your normal daily stuff on a Sunday afternoon. These things are going to wipe things clean when it goes through. It's a large, violent tornado. Shawnee Mall needs to be evacuated. In Shawnee Mall, if you're going to hold on to your folks, you've got to get them.
Wow, look at the whole entire look at the whole entire mezzo getting cut. Look at it. Oh my God.
Hey, it's on the ground. I can hear stuff, man. Listen to it. Listen to sections.
You hear it? Listen to something.
Yeah.
You hear it? Listen to a roar.
Holy shit, dude.
You got it recording?
Yeah.
You got it recording, Eric?
Yes.
All right. It's on the ground, man. It's going to come right through here. We're going to be able to see it right down the road when it crosses.
You hear it? Listen.
Yeah. Look at it right there, man.
You hear the waterfall?
Get good shots,
That's
dude.
RFDs.
Get good shots.
Look at the debris up here. Right up here. Look at the debris way up there.
That was a big motherfucker. Look at, hey, yeah, look at that. Way up top. Look at that debris.
Yeah.
That's like a 30-foot sheet of sheet metal, man. Holy shit.
Two wedges on the ground.
Large wedge tornado on the
Hey,
ground.
we got debris coming in right now. Falling out of the sky.
Large wedge tornado.
Please. Oh my God.
Listen. Listen to that thing, man. Holy God.
Dude, that's a monster. Look at the root. Oh my God. Look at the vortices. Look at the suction vortices on the left side. Oh my God.
What? People are dying in that, man.
My God. There's a wedge back there.
We're out of the way.
Oh my God.
Holy shit. Dude, Aaron, look at it here, dude. That is fantastic.
Oh my God! That incredible feat!
Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. God help us.
Dude, Shawnee's gonna go up close and down, dude. That house is going, dude, that neighborhood's gone, man. We have to go home after this. We have to. This is crazy. Look at that debris! Look at it! Look at my house!
Oh no. Look at all the stuff that's falling in it.
Power flashes! Yeah, we have to go back up there, dude. We have to go back up there. There's no one over there to help them. There was a big community right beyond that road, dude. It picked up houses.
Very large.